And in this economy, I'm going for the dupe every single time. Give me 14 of them. I don't care what's in it. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe to all my kitties that have been here watching my videos, supporting my channel, supporting me. I see you, girl. I see you. Okay guys, so in today's video we have an exciting perfume video. Slowly you guys are like, I don't know, you guys are turning me into some sort of like perfume junkie or something. Ever since I discovered the Middle Eastern world of fragrances, thanks to you, Elizabeth, which is one of my kitties, thanks to her, I am a junkie, a perfume junkie. But I got my hands on the new Khair Confection Perfume. I've had it for a couple days, so this is not like a first impressions. I've had it for a couple days. I've used it. I went into Sephora to smell what this is supposed to be a dupe of, which is Kayali's Candy Rock Sugar Rock Candy, something like that. I'll just have the name somewhere on the screen, but let's unbox this so I can show you guys what the bottle looks like. The packaging is okay, like the box is pretty, but compared to the other brand that I've tried, which is Latafa, their packaging from the box down to the bottle is always just so good. This one, the box is okay, but let's look at the bottle. All right, so here is the bottle of the Khair Confection. Okay, so this is the bottle. It has like the pink and blue vibes, which is great because when I think pink and blue, I think of like cotton candy vibes, sweet, sugary. So that kind of matches it. And then this top reminds me of Aladdin. I don't know, like Aladdin eating cotton candy. I don't know.
Hey, who said that?
The bottle to me is pretty. This isn't typically a bottle that I would go for. It doesn't look like any of the bottles that I have in my collection. But for me, it's less about the bottle and more about the smell, okay? Now, the notes of the Paris Corner, the Khair Confection, the notes of this fragrance is pear, which I really love pear in fragrances. So pear, whipped cream as the top notes. And the middle notes are jasmine, ylang ylang, Casimirian, and a base note of sandalwood, marshmallow, and vanilla. Now, this fragrance has the most addictive, sweet smell. When you first spray it, you definitely smell that pear. You smell the vanilla. You just smell a lot of candy, like sweetness. It literally smells like if you took a bunch of hard candies and you melted it down and topped it off with a little bit of cotton candy, melted that down, and whatever that aroma, when melting those things, the aroma that you would get is whatever this smells like, okay? It smells like straight, sweet, sugary candy. And it also has, I don't know what's in it that gives it that spicy sort of scent to it. Almost like it's spicy and a little bit of like some sort of liquor or like booziness in it. I don't know what that is. The notes don't say anything about that, but it has like a sweet, spicy, boozy sort of smell to it. And let me tell you, this smells so freaking good. It smells so good. And if you are considering this because you want something that smells like the Kayali rock sugar candy, baby, get this, because it smells when I say exactly the same. I'm talking no difference. I smell absolutely no difference between this and the Kayali. I don't own it, but I did go into Sephora when I was returning I had a foundation to exchange, which was the one size foundation. As a matter of fact, I had to exchange that for a different color. But while I was in there, of course, I had to smell the Kayali because that is the fragrance that people say that this smells like. So I had to smell so I could compare. And when I tell you, I cannot smell a difference at all. Now, when it comes to this particular fragrance, now let's talk about longevity and all of that. Now, when I spray it, I don't think this lasts particularly long. I've heard people say it lasts all day. It lasts a very long time on your clothes, but on your skin, I wouldn't give it more than 5 or 6 hours. On me, after 5 or 6 hours, I couldn't smell it anymore on my skin, but on my clothes, literally all day. So for the price of this, I think it's a really, really, really great fragrance. What I think sucks though, this comes so close, or it comes pretty spot on dupe to the Kayali, that I think it's kind of sad. Like to run a business and to have somebody completely dupe something, like when I say completely spot on dupe it for so much less, has got to suck. Like honestly, it has got to suck. And I think it's okay to go ahead, even though this is cheaper, it's okay to go ahead and support the brand that originated it, that thought of this fragrance, just the original creator. It's great to support them. But baby, in this economy, give me the dupe and give me 14 of them right now. Okay, we just want to pay our respect to the people that originated this scent, but the dupe is too good to pass up. For a fraction of the price, the Kayali 100 milliliter is like about $125. This is about $40. In this economy, should I go buy the Kayali? Yeah, you want to support a brand, but this is about $40 and it smells exactly the same. You mean to tell me I'm going to stand next to you that has on a $125 fragrance, okay? Mine is $40, but people cannot tell the difference? Are you serious? Are you serious? Like I said, if you know, supporting the brand is great, baby, but this economy, I'm gonna go for the dupe, and I'm gonna go for the dupe every single time when it's this close and this good. Now, if you love sweet candy fragrances, this is a great fragrance, I think, all year round. The sweetness makes it fun for the summer, great for the spring. However, that spicy note that I smell makes it great for the winter, great for the fall. It's just a great year-round fragrance, and men love sweet scents. My husband loved this. Okay, when I was testing out, he just kept saying, "Dang, that smells so good. It smells so good. It smells," because once you spray this on your skin, it sort of fills up that space that you're in, and it just smells like sweet candy factory sweet. Like when I say you have to love sweet in order to love this, love the smell of just like candy. Absolutely, it's fun. This is flirty. It's versatile because you can wear it throughout the seasons. Okay, this is not something that you have to only wear during winter or you have to wear during fall. It has notes in it that make it great for winter, great for spring, summer, fall, all that, and it's about $40. When you wear this, you can be dressed casually, but it has to be in a flirty way, okay? You see I got my pink on. I have on my pink glossy lips, bubblegum lips, my pink eyeshadow. It's just very, very feminine and girly and flirty. So you definitely want to go ahead and dress up that scent and dress according to those vibes. And that's what I did for you today on the camera, girl. That's what I did, and I hope you like it. Anybody that loves this, you gotta love lip gloss. You love cotton candy, you love state fairs, you love all things girly and flirty, and this is for you. If you are feminine, you're flirty, you're a girl's girl, you're gonna love this. You are going to love this. You smell the pear, you smell the vanilla, you smell that sugary spiciness, you smell all the notes almost, I would say. You can smell all the notes, and it's just so much fun with a fragrance like this. You need at least, well, you don't need it, but it's great to have at least one sweet fragrance in your collection. And the Khair Confection, if you couldn't get your hands on the Kayali rock sugar, or you have that one and it's about to run out and you want to replace it, think about this one, girl. Like I said, you can support the brand, that's absolutely fine, but in this economy, don't be crazy. Kitty, so where are we wearing this? We're wearing this on a date. We're wearing this on a daytime date. This is a daytime date type of scent to me. we're wearing this on our birthday with the prettiest birthday dress, the most sexiest birthday dress in the world. The birthday dress is cute, flirty colors. We're talking pink, maybe pastel blues, hot pink, light pink. You know, you get the vibe. Frilly, you get the vibe. Pink lips, glossy. Of course, flirty eyelashes. And the first thing I thought about when it comes to just like a makeup look in this particular fragrance was this palette. I don't know if you guys have this palette, but this is called the Candy Shop palette, and it's by Juvia's Place. Look at the artwork on this. Look at the artwork on this. This perfectly describes the vibe of this, okay? Of the Khair Confection. Perfectly describes the vibes, okay? When someone says, what's the vibes of this, you know, of this fragrance? This. Here are the vibes. I'm gonna open the palette just so you guys can see. But look at the gorgeous colors. Okay? This is the mood board for this. Super sweet fragrance. I really smell like what? You know what? Let's read the notes of the Kayali, okay? Because this one doesn't say anything about like a liquory smell, but let's see what the Kayali is. Okay, so the Kayali fragrance has a lot more notes. How could it be so spot on though? Listen to the Kayali's note, the rock sugar notes. The top note is candied pear, violet leaves, rum, ylang ylang, marshmallow, and vanilla cream. That's the top notes. And the middle notes are jasmine, labdanum, white caramel, bubblegum, jelly bean. The base note is tonka, vetiver, sandalwood, cashmere woods, patchouli, rock sugar, and Kayali signature accord. Don't know what that is, but Paris Corner knows. They just didn't put it on the list because I smell some sort of liquor in this. Like you really, it smells like a spiked jelly bean, like a spiked jelly bean fruit punch that they topped off with a little bit of cotton candy. But on their list of scent notes, it didn't really have that directly on the site. I'll see what it says on, I'll attach notes on the video from, what is that site called? Fragrantica? Something like Fragrantica, I think. I'll attach that. They knew. The notes that are included on Paris Corner site has got to be a limited list of notes because there's no way that rum isn't also in this one, because I do smell that. That's interesting. I'm glad I read what the notes were for the Kayali, because initially I didn't really care about the notes because I knew it smelled exactly the damn same. And in this economy, I'm going for the dupe every single time. Give me 14 of them. I don't care what's in it. All right, guys, so that wraps up my review for the Paris Corner, the Khair Confection. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. I would buy it again. I think you should get it too because of the price. The scent is so spot on. Only if you love sweet and spicy scents, go ahead and grab that, because to me it's a steal. It lasts at least 5 to 6 hours on the skin, lasts all day on the clothes, and men love this scent. You're gonna smell sweet, flirty, you know, like a girl's girl. Who wouldn't want to smell like that? And if you like the video, don't forget to like the video, leave me some comments, subscribe, and let me know what you think about it. If you have this fragrance, I really want to know what you think about it in the comments. Again, and don't forget to come back, watch another video, girl. You know how we do. Bye, guys.